Hi everyone, I'm Prudence with Pretty Darling Designs, and my project for today is making masks for my daughter's second birthday. She is really into Goldie and Bear, so I'm trying to make masks by just with some little materials. So let me show you what I have came up with. This is Goldie. If this isn't cute or what. Isn't that so cute? See? I love these little craft things that I can do with the kids. And it's for a birthday party, so other people are going to have fun with them. So I'm going to show you a basic thing that I'm going to do. So that was Goldie. Here's Bear. I haven't done Bear yet, but I've made the template for it. And I will share that later. And I made a wolf too. You see the template of the wolf. And then I have the pig. This is the one that I'm working on now. I did finish the pig. You see the pig? Isn't that so cute? Oink, oink, oink. But see? Elastic back. And it's on craft board. It's just the cardstock paper. I'm going to show you that. So if any of y'all are interested in this template that I made, just let me know. Put a comment down below. But I'm going to show you. This is the craft paper. It says craft smooth cardstock. So it's just the cardstock and it's just the brown. It's a little thicker than regular paper. So that's what I've been using for the back. And for covering it, I've been using this felt, a small little piece of felt. You know, you can get these for like 23 cents at Walmart or Hobby Lobby or Michael's. So I'm using this. So I've cut out my pieces from my templates. So you just get your template, lay it down on your felt, okay? And you just draw around it with a Sharpie and then cut it out, okay? So that's what I did with my template. And so this is what I came up with. So I have the two little nostrils that are black. So I got the two nostrils. This is the nose, the little ears, and here's the face. And then here's the back part. So that's the what everything's going on, okay? And then it has the elastic. And all I did with the elastic was I stapled it, and then hot gluing this here. It has some more pieces stuck to it. Having this hot glued to this piece is going to hold this in a little bit stronger, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing it down so y'all can watch me do this one. Okay, so I have my hot glue gun. Okay, and I just start in a corner. I try to put the hot glue where the elastic is stapled on so it holds a little better, like I was saying. And then you just put this on here. Try to line it up to the edges. You can always trim later if the cardboard or the cardstock is a little sticking out the sides. I've had to adjust that. So there's that. So I'm going to turn it around so I can work like this. Okay. You can put it right on the felt, or you can put it on the cardstock. It's up to you. And this stuff stretches, so when you're putting it down, be careful. It may stretch, so just lay it down and make sure it's you know, lining up with your frame here. So here we go. We're gonna do the last little piece here, and just be very careful if you do this project to not glue your elastic under one of your felts. I almost did that yesterday. So, because I wasn't paying attention because my little girl was running around. And so I almost glued it to the back part. So there's that part. See? In hot glue, it's so much easy because it dries so quick. So see, that's already dry and it's holding perfectly. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to make the nose. I'm going to go ahead and put my little nostrils on it first. Be very careful and not burn yourself if you're doing this project. Super simple little project to do, because I got on Etsy's and I was looking to see if there was anything Goldie and Bear, and I got online and it's so hard to find anything Goldie and Bear. So I did find one lady that was doing masks, but she wanted $10 for 4 of them. And I thought, you know what, I might be able to make that myself. And you know what, here we are. So I just drew up my own pattern and went with it. Sometimes it's funner that way. And these are cute little things you can put in the kids' scrapbooks for their baby book too, if y'all do that. I do. I try to keep up with it, but I'm not always successful in keeping up with that. Okay, so I got the nose on. See the nose? Oink, oink. Now we're going to do the ears. I'm just going to lay it on there just to make sure where I have it. Okay. And then just going to go ahead and hot glue here. This glue is so hot. I don't want to burn myself. All right. So there's that one. And see, doing this yourself, you can make it any character that you want. Just make your own, draw it up, and just make your own characters that you want. Because sometimes it's expensive going out and buying all that stuff. So it's better to just make it yourself. See, there it is. It's all done. Isn't that so simple and so cool? Isn't that neat? Hope you like this project. You know what? We might do a Goldie and Bear real quick. Let's see. I mean, a Goldie one. So this is the Goldie. Haha. I think I have all the stuff cut out. Let's see. So see, I cut up everything. Well, most of my stuff yesterday. See my little templates. See the woohoo. So, oh, yeah, look. Here's her bow. I have 2 bows, and here's her eyebrows. Now these eyebrows might be way too big, but we're gonna just work with it. So here's the mask for her face, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my template up. These are all my little drawings that I did, and the ones I saw on online, the hair was like way down here. If you could see, it was way down here, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna make it longer, so I made my template longer. So I made it the way I wanted it to be. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get our elastic. So here's our elastic. Now, depending on the kids' heads, you might want to just measure it out. Now, a couple of mine, I made it just for my head, because when I put it on my kids, once I made them, they were too tight still. So I just measured it to my head. I wrapped around my head and my temples here. I just stretched it to my temples to see if it It just went to here, if that makes any sense. So, so now on the edge here, we're going to staple it to the cardstock. And I try to line it up to the eyes, because that's where you want it to hold on real good. It's close to the eyes. And I put 2 staples, and I wrap it around the back. And staple it again. There you go. There's that. So here we go. We're going to do Goldie here. If I can get this elastic to sit down. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is, see, there's the nose piece. We're going to lay it down on our cardstock. Make sure we're going to measure it just right. I mean, make sure it's going to lay right. Okay, it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and lift it up. I'm going to hold it in the middle because this one I didn't make it all the way to the edge because the hair covers some of it. I'll show it to you. See how it didn't go all the way to the edge? But you can always do yours so it goes to the edge. But I didn't. I just wanted it to cover the eyes area, and then the hair was going to cover the other part. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of hot glue here. Without burning myself. So here we go. We're still gluing it down. I wish I had a tripod so I could have y'all looking down, but I don't. So I'm just working with what I have. And I hope you guys can see what I'm doing as best as you can. But I think all of you ladies and gentlemen are intelligent people, so I think y'all could get it just by looking at what I'm doing. And I'm hoping I'm explaining it just right for you. Ooh, I got some glue on my finger. Ooh, that was hot. Okay, so there's that part. You see that? Doesn't that look really cool? Okay, we still got a little bit to go. Okay, so the next step is her hair. So I'm going to line her hair up to the center here. You see where it goes in the middle? So I'm going to line it up to there, to the top. Make sure it all lines up on the sides here. So with this one, I'm going to glue around the top of her head right here so it doesn't move. So I'm doing this middle part, finishing up the middle here so it all lays right. Because this is for a 2-year-old party, so they need to be a little strong for all the 2-year-olds. So I'm going to just go around the felt here a little bit. Okay, see if I can do this without burning my fingers off. There we go. Try not to get your elastic underneath. There's that side so far. So we gotta glue this part. Oh, I guess I need another glue stick. Here we go. And remember, you can always go back and adjust the edges of the cardstock, because mine is showing too that it's going to be over a little bit. Let me show you. See the cardstock? It's coming over just a little. So we can just trim that up with our scissors. Seeing if it's on this side too. And some of y'all might be fine with it. So it's all by preference. So there's that. Now we're going to put her bow on. Now with mine, I did a little Sharpie. I used a Sharpie to outline it so it looks really cute. Do you see that? So I'm going to go ahead and put her bow on. Trying not to burn myself. Oh, that looks so cute. Doesn't that look so cute? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so now it's eyebrow time. All right, so I just cut these however, and I'm just gonna lay it on there, see how it's gonna look. If it looks whopper-jawed, I might adjust it. I'm just gonna wing it. I think they look really cute, even thick and beautiful. And the little stringies from the hot glue you can always take off later. And I just noticed her eyebrows are not always, it's not shaped exactly like the other one. But that's okay. It's unique. Ta-da! Look at her eyebrows. Isn't that funny? But that's going to be really cute on a little kid. A little 2-year-old. Ah! Isn't that so cute? Okay. Well, I'm having fun over here. I hope you guys are too. So I still have bear to do and the wolf. So I will share those with you after I finish those. So I hope you guys like this. If you want the templates, let me know and I can get them to you. All right? Well, I hope you all have a wonderful day and get crafty, okay? Bye.